Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Hello friends, so in this video today we going to learn how to apply safety claim on Amazon. So for that first we need to log in on our Amazon Seller Central panel. And as you can see here it updated with new interface. So now our main point is to submit safety claim in this new interface. With old interface we already created video earlier, you can check that video as well. So here for apply safety claim we need wrong received item images and unpacking video for future use. So you should have serial number. Basically you need to take snapshot of the label. After that you need received item image and also you need image received return item with label fixed on it. These three details you need to have with you at the time of apply safety claim. So let's start our video. Click on your right side manage button. Drop down will come, choose here manage claims. Here you will see yellow button on your right side for apply new safety claim. So click on it. After click on this you will be redirect to new page. Here fill order ID. So after that you will see that ordered item image with product name. Now click on check box and choose exact reason for the apply claim. In our case we choose wrong item received. After that press on next button. So now here you have to upload those images we discussed earlier in this video. First photograph of the content of the return. Second photograph of the return package with shipping label affixed. Third serial number of the item. After upload these images click on next. Now you have to mention description here in box. So just mention you received wrong item for this order ID, that's it. After that click on check box and press on submit safety claim button. That's it. So now as you can see we successfully submitted our claim. Now it will take 24 hours for review and after that it will granted and reimburse our amount in our seller panel account. So this is the process for apply safety claim on Amazon seller panel. If you have any questions feel free to ask in comment section. We will revert you back for sure. Thanks for watching this video and share with your friends for increase their knowledge. And most important, subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for future video updates.